Yeah, you can tell something. Sanatana Dharmada. It's not from Sanatana Dharma. No, no, my question is, see, my question is, I'm teaching now. Is it real or unreal? That's all. Huh? It's overall I'm asking. See, it doesn't mean like what I am thinking, what you are thinking about it. It's real. It's real. Who is, who is in waking state, for them it is real. Who is in Sushupti state, for them it is unreal. Remember the statement. I'll come back to this again. You're seeing something there at the end of this last that corner. That's a mirror, okay? It's not a window. It's a animated GIF, GIF, whatever you call that one. It's a mirror. Next click. Click. Okay. Here, three things I have written. What is this three? Pratibhasika, Vyavaharikam, and Paramarthika. Okay. What does Pratibhasika mean? Bhasate, but it is not existed. Okay. For example, have you gone to any beach? You will be there. Beach, you have visited some beach. And have you seen something will be lying down on the beach which is shining? Pearl. Okay, sandstone. Okay, whatever, but you have seen something. But my question, have you gone behind or have you gone to collect it just because, hey, something is shining, it is silver, I'll go and get. Shuktau rajatamiti jnanam. In Vedanta, that's an example. Okay. Shukti is, that's what you said, that sandstone, whatever thing. There, generally, rajatamiti jnanam, what we feel, if something is shining somewhere, hey, something is shining, what is that? Just go and find. There might be a piece of glass. There might be a diamond also, we don't know. Yes or no? From, very far, I'm seeing that. Okay, let us take for one more example. You are standing somewhere in a corner and at the far, you are finding something. You are not getting whether that is moving or not. You are feeling, that must be a, stump, tree stump. Okay. After a few minutes, no, I think that is moving. Must be a person. He is, coming towards this side. No, he is standing there only. I think that is a stump only. Is there a clarity? You don't know. That is what. Whether it's a stump or a man, I don't know. That is what pratibhasa. Okay. Pratibhasika, or that Shukta Rajatamiti Jnanam is the classical example for this. So, feeling that, having an illusion of silver on what that sandstone. That is what Pratibhasika. Dvasuparna, in which way? How? That anything Pratibhasa. That will come for this. Now I am coming to the second point. See here. Vyavaharika. What does this mean? Vyavaharika. I am teaching you that is real. In which sense? In which sense? Vyavaharika dashayam satyam. So these three are Satya's type. There are three things. One is Pratibhasikam Satyam. Second one is Vyavaharikam Satyam. Third one is Paramarthikam Satyam. Pratibhasika, you know what is that? That Swapnam Jagat. Swapne. In your dream, you will find so many things. Okay. Are they true? No. Someone will become a king and he will fight and he will go to jail. He will be crying. Suddenly he'll get up. Okay, but he will be on the bed. That's all. Pratibhasika. Nidra, Swapna Jagat. Vyavaharika is what you are doing daily. That is what Vyavahara. Every day, today's activities, Vyavaharika Satya. Vyavaharika Satya. Okay. That is also not real. When we go to Paramarthika state. Paramarthika is what? The ultimate, the supreme one. Paramarthataha Satyam Kim Ityuktau. Paramarthataha Atma Eva Satyah, Nityah, Sanatanaha. That is what the understanding. Paramarthika. Why I am telling this one, you will understand after next slide. Next click. That is what. Sat, next click. Fine. That is what. You would have done this one, you know. I'll come to that. That is what the dream, what I have said. Next. We are getting up now. Next. Something is here. Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti. Okay. See the color also. Next. Stop. Don't click anything. Okay. Next one. Go to one more. One more. Fine. Done. Okay. Now. Okay. See here. Pratibhasikam. That dream state, that is pratibhasika. You know that. That is not true. As I said, in your dream, you will be able to do anything. You can go to some other countries also. You can go to some other hilltop adventurous games. Different things you can do. But till what? Till how much time you can do that? Till what time you can do that? Yeah, that's all. So that is what pratibhasa, bhasate. But that is not true. After getting up, you will feel that, my God, it was in my dream. So until you are there in dream state, that dream is true, real. Until you are there in that dream state, that dream is true. Yes or no? Because you are only seeing that dream. You are feeling yourself over there. I am doing this, like that. So that is true only. That is real only. Until you are getting up, right? Once you are awake, then that is not there. Which means, oh, I dreamt. Now you came to a conclusion that it was pratibhasa jnana or it was not there. Yes, no? Yes, right? The same way, vyavaharika jnana, what is there, that is also mithya. That is also not true. That is also not real. How will you come out? How you have come out from the dream state? The same way, how you will come out of this vyavaharika mithya, then vyavaharika, from there, how will you come out? Once you go to Guru, that's what they say. Tattvamasyaadi vakya jnanena. Once you will go to a proper jnani, a Guru, after doing his seva, there you will prabodha samaye. Once that understanding happens, that you are something else than this word. You are not the body, or you are not related to this word. You are not related to the people around you. That thing will happen once that prabodha happens. That prabodha, when it will happen? When you will go to Guru, he will bodhayati. Bodhayati means what? He doesn't teach. Bodhayati is jnapayati. See, they have used that kind of words. They didn't say that saha pathayati. Saha bodhayati means saha jnapayati, they said. Which means you know you are Atman, but because of Maya, you couldn't understand that. So he is telling you, he is reminding you, you are not body, you are Atman. Understand, only that thing Guru is doing. And that moment you will realize that vyavaharika mithyatvam, prapanchasya mithyatvam tada avagamyate. Jnatam? व्यावहारिकत्वेन सत्यं वयं न ब्रह्मज्ञानिनः सत्यम् अतः व्यवहाररूपेण सत्यमेव परन्तु यदा परमार्थतः चिन्तयामः I am teaching, you are listening, or someone is doing something, someone is here, someone is not there, everything is mithya only. That is what is explained in the first shloka. That's the reason I'm taking all this as background. Okay. Next, see one more thing. Swarga, Naraka, Jnana, Janana, Marana. What about this Swarga, Naraka then? Is this true? Shastra says that. What Shastra says? Huh? What? Jyotishtomena yajeta swarga. Some statement is there, not it? Agnihotram Johoti. Okay, you haven't heard this one. Some yagas are there. If you do these yagas, you will go to Swarga, all these things. Veda Vakya is there. If Veda says, you need to believe, because we are doing the same thing. Sanatana Dharma, which means we are completely based on Vedas. If something is there, Veda, we need to believe, or we are believing it. Vedas are ultimate, the highest things. They are saying means we are believing. That is there in Veda. Then there must be Swarga, Naraka, all these things, right? Whether it is true, I mean, whether it is real or unreal, then that is also, yes, Vyavaharika Dashayam Satyameva Syat. Parantu Paramartham, when you go to the ultimate state, those things doesn't bother you. You don't even know what it is, like it will be. So Swarga, Naraka also will become unreal. What about gods? That's all. The ultimate truth is, the real thing is only that thing, which is Atman. Got it? Clear? Okay. That's what. Paramarthikam is what? Atma Jnanam. Okay. So, Vyavahara Dashayam Satyam Jagradavastha. Pratibhasika, Mithya, Swapna, or Swarga, Naraka I have written. No need to worry. And when this Vyavaharika Satya also becomes Mithya, that moment everything is unreal only, apart from Paramartha Satya. Yes, Vyavahara Dashayam only Satyam. In that Vyavahara time, or like how we are doing in Jagrata Avastha, now what we are doing, in that way, they could be true. That's all. Because no one has seen and come back, right? Yeah, Pratibhasikam, which means Asatye Satya Darshanam, which means there is something shining. I am saying that is diamond. Asatyam, but that is a glass piece. Glass piece is Asatya. But on that, I am feeling that Satyatva Bhava. Kasya Satyatvam? On unreal glass, I am feeling the reality of the diamond. That is Pratibhasika. Okay. Okay, these things are all just relating things. Okay, there is a mirror now. I'll come to that mirror part now. You are standing in front of a mirror. You are seeing your face as it is, right? As it is, you are seeing, or something different there. Yeah, that is okay. Let us take that it is not, all those things. A proper normal mirror. Okay, now I am telling. The mirror is having little dust. Then little difference is there. But that doesn't mean your face is having dust. Yes or no? Right? Keep this in your mind. Next. Vishwam Darpana Drishyamana Nagari Tulyam Drishyamana Nagari Tulyam Nijantargatam Vishwam Darpana Drishyamana Nagari Tulyam Nijantargatam Pashyan Atmani Pashyannatmani Mayaya Bahiriva Mayaya Bahiriva Udbhutam Yatha Nidraya Bahirivodbhutam Yatha Nidraya Pashyannatmani Mayaya Bahi Pashyannatmani Mayaya Bahirivodbhutam Yatha Nidraya Mayaya Bahirivodbhutam Yatha Nidraya. Once again. Bahirivodbhutam Yatha Bahirivodbhutam Yatha Nidraya Mayaya Bahirivodbhutam Yatha Nidraya पश्यन्नात्मनि मायया बहिरिवोद्भूतं यथा निद्रया मायया बहिरिवोद्भूतं यथा निद्रया. Try to make little rag. I learned and completely bit. Okay. विश्वं दर्पण दृश्यमान नगरी तुल्यं निजान्तर्गतं पश्यन्नात्मनि मायया बहिरिवोद्भूतं यथा निद्रया. यस्साक्षात् कुरुते प्रबोध समये यस्साक्षात् कुरुते प्रबोध समये स्वात्मानमेवाद्वयम् स्वात्मानमेवाद्वयम् यस्साक्षात् कुरुते प्रबोध समये स्वात्मानमेवाद्वयम् स्वाद्वयम्. Once again. यस्साक्षात् कुरुते प्रबोध समये स्वात्मानमेवाद्वयम् कुरुते प्रबोध समये स्वात्मानमेवाद्वयम्. तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये. From the beginning once, okay. विश्वं दर्पण दृश्यमान नगरी तुल्यं निजान्तर्गतं पश्यन्नात्मनि मायया बहिरिवोद्भूतं यथा निद्रया यस्साक्षात् कुरुते प्रबोध समये स्वात्मानमेवाद्वयम्. तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये. दृश्यमान नगरी तुल्यं निजान्तर्गतं पश्यन्नात्मनि मायया बहिर्बोधभूतं यथा निद्रया यस्साक्षात् कुरुते प्रबोध समये स्वात्मानमेवाद्वयम्. तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नम इदं दक्षिणामूर्तये. Vishwam. Vishwam. The universe, the whole world. Universe, that's all, nothing else. Vishwam, the whole world. Okay. So, idam sarvam jagat. What do we say? The whole universe, jagat, brahmandam, which is called Vishwam. Then, nijantargatam. Nija means what? The truth. Once again, go back to the mirror. Okay. Nijantargatam. You are seeing your face in the mirror. In the mirror, you are seeing a face, a structure, right? As how you are the same way it's there. Then from where that figure has come out? So from us only it has come. Actually, where it is? In us only. So nijasya antaha madhye asti antargatam antaha vidyate antaha asti. It's there inside. No, nijantargatam, which means something which is inside a truth. For example, okay, if I take this one, it would be confusing. Oh, no problem. I'll tell that, no problem. So nijantargatam, which means ultimately, which is inside the truth. Understand only that much for now. Understand only that much. Nijantargatam, antaha, gatam, antaha. It's there inside the truth. Something is there inside the truth. Okay. Next. Darpana drishyamana nagari tulyam is the word. Now you will understand. Darpana is what? Mirror. Darpana drishyamanam. Darpane drishyamanam. Drishyamanam. Something is seen in the mirror. Darpana, the drishyamana nagari tulyam. They are saying in the mirror, a city or market or whatever, a place is seen in a mirror. Tulyam is samanam, equal, samanam. So now I'll tell, in the mirror, how you are seeing yourself, the same way the whole world is inside Brahman. Vishwam nijantargatam. Here, the Nija word take its ultimate truth, Brahman. Let us take Nija is ultimate truth. Okay. The word is inside him. Nijasya antaha asti. How it is there inside him? How your face is inside the mirror now. Inside the mirror now. Okay. But actually, the reflection is from you only. You are just reflecting in the mirror. The same way, Vishwa is reflecting outside, but actually is from that Brahman only, from that Nija, from that truth thing only. Getting? You're getting? Anyways, I'll explain it once again. Next. The same way, Atmani, next. Mayaya, next. Bahihi, next. Udbhutam, next. Iva, Pashyan, next. Yes. Atmani, Mayaya, Bahihi, Udbhutam, Iva Pashyan. Now comes this point. The same way, the whole word actually is inside Brahman only. Let us think in that way. Everything is inside Brahman only. Where is Brahman? I am Brahman. Because Atman is everywhere. So you are also Brahman. I am also in that way. Okay. I am here. Atma is here. But I am seeing the whole world is outside. Bahihi, right? Bahi is outside, isn't it so? Bahihi, which means which has created, which has been created outside. I'm seeing that the whole world, everything is been created. I'm seeing like that. It's not inside me. But why I'm seeing like that? Because of Maya, they're saying. Because of Maya, I'm feeling that the whole world is outside. It is not in Atman only, but it is outside. Why I'm feeling that? Because of Maya. How? The same way as I said, if you are seeing a mirror, the reflection is not clear. Let us say some dust is there. That doesn't mean on your face there is dust, but which means that dust is on that reflect on that thing, what the mirror. So let us think that dust is Maya. How that dust is creating, the dust which is there on the mirror is showing your reflection also is dusty, right? The same way, Maya is showing the whole world is outside you. It is not inside. In that way, it is showing. You are not getting it. Wait. Next. Yaha. Next. Yatha. Nidraya. Next. Prabodha samaye. Next. Advayam. Swatmanam. Okay, go. Eva. Sakshat Gurude, stop. Okay. Now you will understand. Yaha. Anybody. Yaha. There is a person, someone. Let us take someone. Okay. What he feels is Yatha Nidraya. After getting up, after waking up, he feels Prabodha Samaye. He is getting some understandings. What understanding he is getting? Advayam Swatmanameva Sakshat Kurute. There is no separate thing. Why I'm telling this one? When he was sleeping, there was a dream. When he was sleeping, there was a dream. In his dream, he was a king. He was a king. and he was fighting with enemies, and he was killing some people, and finally that enemy king caught this guy, and he went inside the jail. All these things he has seen. And suddenly he opened his eyes. Hurry, I must be there inside the jail. I'm not there. Then, yes, I have seen a dream. That moment he feels that Advayam, who has seen dream, the same person is me. But I have seen something else because of Nidra. Because of what? Nidra. The same way now you are understanding that, oh, I'm seeing the whole world is outside, but actually it is inside only. It has started from me only. But why I'm saying it is outside? Because of Maya. Okay. See, Swapna. Swapna is Swapna state, let us say Pratibhasika, as I said. Jagrata Avastha, which means Vyavahara Dasha. Okay. And I am there, standing here. Three things. When I am sleeping, I am seeing myself fighting, eating, all these things I was doing. After getting up, I understand that, oh, I was in Nidra state, and I have seen someone in that in my dream that was me, and now I'm getting him. This is also me only. But because of my, that kind of Nidra, I got some dream where I was doing something else, but that is not true. That clarity will get or not? Will get. The same way, this whole world which we are seeing outside, actually this has started from Atman only. We are seeing this outside, and we are feeling that this is separate than me. This is something else than me because of Maya. So Maya is making us to think something is outside and something is different than you, and you are separate from something. So many other things are there. Nothing is single. I mean, nothing is unique. Everything is different. That thought, that feeling is there because of Maya. So example is again how you are seeing everything in the mirror the same way. Drishya darpana drishyamana nagari. How you are seeing everything in the mirror. But inside mirror, what you are seeing, is that true? That is not true. But you are seeing yourself. Then two of them are you in that picture, in that place. No, only one. Your reflection, that's all. The same way this Jagat also. Getting now? Okay. Then, yeah. Play. Tasmai Shri Guru Murtaye Nama Idam. Tasmai Shri Guru Murtaye Dakshina Murtaye Idam Namaha. Idam, not Namama. Idam Namaha. My Namaskaras. To whom? Tasmai Yaha. Now I'll come back to this line. Okay. Yaha Yaha Prabodha Samaye Swatmanameva Advayam Swatmanameva Sakshat Kurute. What does that actually mean? Prabodha Samaya Kaha? Prabhata Samaya is morning. Prabodha Samaya. Bodhana Madadala. Bodhana Agadu. Okay. Prabodha Samaya. What is that time then? When I am going to understand the things? After getting a after getting rid of Maya, that is true. But when I'll get rid of, when I'll be able to do that? That's what. When I'll go to a guru, that moment, what will happen? Prabodha Samaya. That is what Prabodha Samaya. How a guru makes you understand Tattvamasi, Sakshat Tattvamasi Veda Vachasa. Like that again in third stanza it is coming. Here only, I think. No, anyways, we are learning that, no problem. Sakshat Tattvamasi Veda Vachasa Yo Bodhayatyashrita. That's the sentence. Okay. The Guru makes us to learn the things. Tattvamasi. For example, they have taken Tattvamasi, some other, any statement, any Mahavakya. Through these kind of statements, through these kind of Mahavakyas, through this kind of Veda, ultimate Vedantic thought, the Guru makes us to understand, to think, to rethink what I am. Prabodha Samaya Jnapayati. He makes us to rethink who am I. Okay, that is what Prabodha Samaya. that moment, in that Prabodha Samaya, actually I understand Swatmanameva Advayam. I don't find Brahman somewhere outside. Swatmanameva Advayam. You're getting? I myself feels, I myself understand that there is nothing second. Everything is single. Swatmanameva. Swa Atman. I think or I understands that myself is the Atman. Till now I was searching for that outside. But that itself is Atman. Swatmanameva Advayam Sakshat Kurute. Already Atman is there. But Guru makes us to think by saying Tattvamasi, all these things. He'll give the preachers, he'll ask us to rethink. By doing these kind of thinkings, what will happen? I'll understand ultimately Swatmanam. I myself is Atman. And that is what Advaya. That is what Advit. There is nothing else. Advaya. That is the only one thing. That Sakshat Karana. See, I'm not seeing again. They would have said that Brahmanaha Pratyakshi Karoti. They said Sakshat Karoti. Means what? Which is there inside already. I'm looking into it. Till now, I haven't done it. So this moment I am doing Sakshat Karana, which is there already inside me. That is what the meaning of this sentence. Okay, getting. Tasmai Shri Guru Murte Namah. Tasmai Shri Guru Murte Dakshina Murte Idan Namaha. So who makes us to think like that? Yaha Guru. Who is that Guru? To him, Dakshina Murti, Guru Murte, my namaskaras, my prayers. Dakshinamurti, the word means. Generally, Dakshinamurti, which means an idol or a god or a lord who is seeing Dakshina Dik, is Dakshinamurti, that's all. Okay. But one Daksha, the root of that word, that Dakshina word is Daksha Vruddhav. Daksha Vruddhav is a verb. From that root, the Dakshina word has come up. Daksha means capable of doing something. Capable of what here? Capable of redeeming. Okay. Redeemness. Redeeming us. Okay. So Daksha, he is capable of doing or removing all the other things, all Maya from every sadhaka. He is Daksha in that. He is capable. And then Atman is called, or Atman is shown as Asthulam, Ananu, Amurtihi, which means one who is not having Namarupa, all these things. Who is not having Namarupa, to him I am saying Murti. I am saying that kind of person in an idol, and I am praying him as a Guru. Understand? That is the meaning. Next. Okay, once again. Oh, no, wait. Darpana. Okay, once again, come back. Once again, we'll. No, just chant once. Next. So what's the time? 10 minutes. No, I'm not teaching something new. It's not new thing. Whatever I have said, the same thing as are shown, out of this. Just I'll show, that's all. Tomorrow we can do it, no problem. Okay. See, this is the Anvaya part, that's all. This is the prose. Okay. Darpana Drishyamana Nagari Tulyam Nijantargatam Vishwam Yatha Nidraya Tatha Atmani Mayaya Bahihi Udbhutameva Pashyan Yaha Prabodha Samaye Advayam Swatmanameva Sakshat Kurute Tasmai Idam Namaha Iti Anvaya. That's all. Okay. Click. Don't worry, it's nothing. What I have said, the same thing. Okay. I'm reading. Please listen. यदि विश्वम तिष्ठति विश्वम अंतः तिष्ठति तरहि रागादिवत अंतः एव अनुभूयेत. That's a question. Raga, dvesha, moha, mada, all these things, where are they? Inside us. No, yes, that is true, but inside us, right? No, inside our mind. So they said, Vishwam is there inside Atman, isn't it so? Okay. These Raga, Dvesha, Moha, these can be experienced outside us. Can I experience all of them outside us? Inside me, I'm thinking, or I'll become Raga, I'll become Dvesha, I'll become whatever, Moha, Krodha, like that. So in the same way, if Vishwam is inside Atman, then we would have seen, we would have experienced that Vishwa inside us only. Why it is outside is the question. Okay, yes or no? Next is, that's what I have explained already. I'm reading once. Atmani sthita maya suryam yatha meghaha avirbhavanti तथा माम अहम न जानामि इति avidyam janayati. First I have taken maya itself, no? So if I write again maya, it will be confused. That's the reason I have written avidya, which means maya again. That's all the meaning. That's all. So why we are not feeling Vishwa inside us only? Because maya is there inside us. We are not able to come out of it. That's the reason, right? So Atmani sthita maya. This illusion also inside us. Inside us means inside Atman. I mean, we are, for us I'm saying now. Inside us, Atman. How sun is there? How clouds will cover him? That doesn't mean sun is not there. Or that doesn't mean sunlight cannot come down because I have stopped him. It's not like that. Just it has covered, right? So sunlight cannot reach. The same way, tatha mam aham na janami, like that. I can't understand me. That kind of feeling will come because of maya. Okay, next. Taya maya idam sarvam. Because of that maya only, idam sarvam, the whole thing is seen outside. Bahihi janitam iti chintayati. It has started outside only, like that we think, because of maya only. Next, these are all points, okay? You need not to make some separate notes. That's the reason. You can read and you can make it as well in English. Katham antaha vidyamanam jagadam bahya darshanam. Okay. Then if jagat is inside, how I'm saying outside that? Next. यथा निद्रायां स्थितः स्वात्मनः बहिः दृश्यं पश्यन् एव अनुभवति तथा. If you are there in your again the dream state, in your dream state you are feeling something, you are standing and you are seeing everything, you are doing something, like everything you are seeing outside, but is that happening outside you? The same way, yatha, what you said, darpana, reflection, it's just a reflection. Next, how? Because there are so many statements. Etasmat jayate prano manas sarvendriyani cha kamma yurjyotirapah prathivi vishwasya dharini. From where? From where this statement is? It's an Upanishad. So etasmat, from him only, from that Atman only, everything will take birth. Prano manas sarvendriyani cha kamma yurjyotirapah prathivi vishwa, everything. No. Taittiriya Upanishad also tells the same meaning, but the same statement is not there. Not Bhagavad Gita. You find it's an Upanishad statement. You have learned this. Next. Mayeva sakalam jatam mayi sarvam pratishthitam mayi sarvam layam yati tad brahmadvayam asmyaham. See, this is nice. Mayeva sakalam. Mayi, inside me. Every single thing is there inside me only. Sakalam jatam, I mean, inside me only it has started. Mayi sarvam pratishthitam. Everything is there inside me. It's happening inside me only. And finally, Mayi sarvam layam yati. Everything will go back into me itself. So then that Mayi, who is that Mayi? Tat Brahma Advayam Asmi Aham. So I am not a normal person. I am that Advaya, that Brahma, that Satyam Brahma Aham, where Srishti, Sthiti, Laya, everything will keep on happening inside. That kind of Atman I am. It's from a Purana. Huh? Purana. Puranam. Okay. Srishti, Sthiti, Laya Karana iti Murti Paramarth. Yes. Dakshinamurti. Srishti, Sthiti, Laya Karana iti Murti. Paramarthatah saha amurtihi eva. We cannot make him sit under a tree. You sit here, you stand, we cannot make him. Because Paramarthatah he is Nirakaraha, Niranjanaha. Where it has come? Niraka, Nishkalo. Where it is? Where? Okay, Nishkalo Niranjano. So that is how he is. Next click. Okay, I'm not going to this. These are all word by word meaning. Once again, word by word meaning I have given. You need to put one more word over here. The city which is seen in the mirror like that. Tulyam. I haven't entered that one. Okay. These are all just direct meanings. By seeing this, you cannot understand what I have explained just now. Okay. They are just direct meanings to understand shloka. That's all. Okay. One more click. For you tomorrow. Then, if Vishwam is inside me, or the sthiti is happening inside me, Atman only, if Laya also will happen inside me, how the universe is created then? Who was the creator? If you say Atman is the creator, what kind of instruments has he used to create? Come back. Back. Okay. That is the question. Think over it. Read this shloka once again. Okay. Tomorrow I am going to do this shloka once again and I am going forward. Is there any question now? Okay. Once go to that shloka. Yeah, previous. Yes. Once. All of us together. Please make a proper this one. What is happening? Some people are doing, Praveen TC, little bit everyone. Okay. With everyone. Okay. Start. Vishwam darpana drishyamana nagari tulyam nijantargatam पश्यन्नात्मनि मायया बहिरिवोद्भूतं निद्रया यस्साक्षात् कुरुते प्रबोधसमये स्वात्मानमेवाद्वयम् तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। ॐ